Little demonstration on showing sanding end grain with our flat master drum sander. Traditionally, this is a huge problem. You've got end grain here with the glue soaked right into the end grain, and if you put this through a regular drum sander, because of the action of a regular drum sander, that drum forcing the paper into the wood, there's going to be heat buildup, and you are going to get that glue to transfer from the wood to the paper. Our flat master drum sander, that's not going to happen. I'm just going to remove the fence here so you can see this actually happen. We're going to sand this glue piece off right here. And this little bit of loading right here, that's going to come right off when we're sanding this glue. We're just going to sand right through that glue. It's not going to matter. And actually, I don't know, we'll be able to see it on the camera, but see these big chunks of glue flying out the back? If you were sanding from the top down, like a traditional drum sander does, you'd have to deal with those chunks of glue again. Your dust collector is probably not going to pick them up. This sander here, because it's not building up any heat, that glue is just falling into the box just like the sawdust. So we're just stripping that off. We're making this flat. You can see this piece had a big twist in it when we did the glue up here. So I'm just going to keep going to show you how this is going to work out. Stop right there just to give you an idea. This is just a really good place to show you how we're going to sand that perfectly flat. When you glue up these cutting boards and stuff like that, they normally don't come out flat. You can see that we're hitting the high spot here, and this thing is eventually going to end up as flat as the top of this table. Now I want to show you on this end grain ash right here. You have no danger of making any heat with this because the paper is lifted off the drum. So you can just feed stuff like this straight through. The other big advantage of our flat master drum sander is the fact that it's static free. So when you're done sanding, there's never any sawdust left on the wood.